Can you use Venmo without an account? Intro. Hey there, you're at a friend's birthday party. You've had a blast, and now it's time to split the bill. You're all sitting around a table, trying to figure out who owes who how much. It's a classic situation, and it's one that can be a real pain. That's where Venmo comes in. It's a popular app that makes it easy to send and receive money between friends. But what if you don't have a Venmo account? Can you still use it? In this video, we're going to answer that question and explore some of the other ways you can use Venmo. Can you use Venmo without an account? The short answer is no, you can't use Venmo without an account. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app, which means that it's designed for people to send money to each other. In order to do that, you need to have a Venmo account and be connected with the person you want to send money to. That being said, there are a few ways to get around this limitation. Workarounds for using Venmo without an account. One option is to ask a friend who has a Venmo account to send you the money. You can then transfer the money to your bank account. Another option is to use a cash-sharing app like Splitwise or Venmo's Pay It Forward feature. These apps allow you to create a group and track who owes who how much. You can then pay off your debts using Venmo. Benefits of having a Venmo account. While it's possible to use Venmo without an account, there are a number of benefits to having one. For starters, it's much easier to send and receive money. You can simply enter the recipient's phone number or email address, and the money will be transferred instantly. Venmo also offers a variety of features that can make your life easier. For example, you can link your bank account to Venmo, which makes it easy to transfer money in and out of the app. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services at participating retailers. How to create a Venmo account. If you're interested in creating a Venmo account, it's a simple process. First, you'll need to download the Venmo app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, you'll need to create an account by providing your name, email address, and phone number. After you've created an account, you'll need to verify your identity. You can do this by providing a photo of your driver's license or passport. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to start using Venmo. Safety tips for using Venmo. It's important to use Venmo safely. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Only send money to people you know and trust. Be careful about sharing your personal information. Enable two-factor authentication. Monitor your account activity regularly. Conclusion. So, can you use Venmo without an account? Not directly. However, there are a few workarounds that you can use if you need to send or receive money. If you're planning to use Venmo regularly, it's a good idea to create an account. This will make it easier to send and receive money, and it will give you access to a variety of features that can make your life easier. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.